Hey guys, welcome to second part of Excel date functions tutorial. In this tutorial we will learn some more advanced Excel date functions. Now friends, if you still have not watched first part of this tutorial, I will suggest you to watch first part of Excel date functions tutorial. Also, I will also give link in below description for that video. So now I think we should start our tutorial. Here you can see we have date difference function. We will start our tutorial or video from this function. As name of this function shows, this function is used to find the difference between two dates. But the special feature or special thing of this function is that we can get output from this function in any format. Let's take here example. If I want to know my age up to today, if I want to know my age in number of years, I can use this function. But if I want to know my age in number of months, still I can use this function. But if I don't want to know my age in number of years or number of months, but I want to know my age in number of days, still for that I can use this function. So here we have already two dates. Let's try this function on these two dates. Let's here we try to find the difference between two dates but in years format. So let's see how we will do this. We will use here this function date difference function, bracket open, and here we will use here this first date. Here you can see we first date here is, or the old date here is 15th December 2004, and the latest date here is, or the second date here is 31st October 2018. Here what you need to do, you need to select here first, you need to select here old date, and then you need to insert comma, and then you need to select second or latest date. So again we will insert here comma, and here suppose we want to find the difference between two dates in number of years. What we will do, we will just use here insert here inverted commas, and then we will write here y, that is stands for year, and again inverted commas, bracket close, and then we will press enter. Here you can see the difference between two dates is 13, that is number of years. Number of years difference in difference in years between these two dates is 13. So here suppose now we want to find the difference between two dates but not in number of years, just in number of months. How we can do this? We will just again we will use date difference function, bracket open, first date comma second date comma, again inverted commas, here we will write m, that m stands for month, again inverted commas, bracket close, and enter. Here you can see this difference between two dates in number of months is 166 months. Now let's try to find difference between these two dates but not in years, not in months, but in number of days. Again we will use here date difference function, bracket open, again same thing, first date comma second date, again comma inverted commas, and here we will use d, that stands for day, inverted commas, again bracket close, and enter. Here you can see difference between these two dates in number of days is 5068 days. Now let's take example. If I want to know my age, uh, how I will calculate my age? It is what I will do, I will just use here my birth date and today's date. So let's suppose my birth date is 14th October 1985, and today's date is 31st October 2018. So now this is my birth date, this is today's date, and now uh, I want to know my age in number of years. What I will do, I will just again use here date difference function, birth date, here today's date, again comma inverted commas, year inverted commas, bracket close. Here you can see my age in today's date, my age is 33 years. Again if I want to know my age in number of months, I will use here date difference function, again birth date, today's date, inverted comma, month, bracket close. You can see in today's date my age in number of months is 396. Again, if I want to know my age up to today in number of days, again I will use date difference function, and then birth date, again today's date, comma, again inverted commas, day or d, inverted commas, bracket close. Here you can see up to today my age is 12,070 days, and this is too much I think, so 12,000, okay, whatever. So now one more thing, very interesting thing that I want to show you. For example, if I want to write my age in exactly, that my age is 33 years, maybe 1 month and maybe 2 days, my age is 33 years 1 month and 2 days, how I can write using these two functions and using this date difference function. So let's see how we can do this. Just the one thing that I forget to show you, just let's do here, just delete these two things here. And now for example, I just want to know after 33 years, because this difference between two, we know that difference between two dates is not exactly 33 years, there will be some months and there will be some days, and I just want to know after 33 years how many months and how many days, how I can get number of months after 33 years. What I will do, I will use same function, date difference function, again same thing, birth date, comma, today's date, comma, and again inverted commas. But here, as we want to know number of months but after number of years, we want to deduct number of years, complete number of years, and then remaining number of months we want to bring here. What we will do, we will use ym, inverted commas, bracket close. Here y stands for year, m for month. So if, as again I will repeat this why we used here ym. Y stands for year. Y stands for year means here we want to remove complete number of years, and m means we want to bring here remaining number of months. So I will press enter. You can see this is 0, mean this is 33 years and no month is complete here. So now remaining thing I want to bring here remaining number of days. What I will do, date difference bracket open, again birth date, today's date, comma, inverted comma. Now we want to remove number of months, complete number of months, and we want to bring here remaining number of days, the number of days that don't make complete month. So what we will do, same as we did in upper cell, we will write here m, as we want to remove complete number of months, m stands for month, and d as we want to bring here days. Inverted commas, again bracket close, and I will press enter. Here you can see my age up to today, my age is 33 years and 17 days. So let's change here, maybe I will write here 14 September 1985. Here you can see now my age, if I change here birth date, because I took my birthday 1 month backward, so now this is showing my age is 33 years 1 month and 17 days. But what if I want to bring my age into, I want here 33 and I want here text with 33 years, and here I want text with 1 month, and here I want days. How I can do this? So just let me add here. Let's try to bring here that format. I will use date difference, again I will use here first birth date and today's date, and here what I will do, as I want to bring here complete number of years, I will use it inverted commas, y inverted commas, bracket close, and as I want to write alongside number of years, I want to write years. How I can write years, I will use here and sign and space, I will write here years and again space. Actually, sorry, what is happening? Actually, we need to insert here commas. Again, we need to insert commas here also. So comma, now this is 33 years, but as we want to bring here number of years or number of months and number of days also, So what we did here, you can see we write here complete formula, complete function for years, then and sign, then comma, then space, then we write here years, then again uh, we need to insert here space also, and then comma, and again we will write here we will insert here and sign, and again date difference function, as we want to write, as we want to bring here number of months also. So birth date, today's date, comma, inverted commas, and we want to remove complete number of years, we write here m, then we want to bring here complete number of months, so I write here m, inverted commas again, bracket close, again and sign, inverted commas, space, months, space, inverted commas, and sign, this that we write here months, this will bring this text months with this number of months, and again we will write use here date difference function, bracket open, birth date, comma, today's date, comma, here we will write inverted commas, as we want now here from number of days we want to remove complete number of months, and just we want to we want that here just remains number of days that don't make complete month, so we will write here m and d, inverted commas again, bracket close, and sign, inverted comma, space, days, and here we don't need to write here space, inverted commas, and I will press enter. Here you can see this is my age on today's date, 33 years 1 month and 17 days. So friends, this was second part of Excel date functions tutorial. If you like this video, please don't forget to share this video with your friends, or share this knowledge with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon button. And if you don't understand anything, just comment below. I will explain every of your answers, all of your answers. And at last, don't forget to give thumbs up. Okay friends, for now, bye bye.